Hi everyone, my name is Hannah. Today I want to share how science is a part of our everyday activities. From brushing our teeth to riding a bike, science is involved in almost everything we do. When we brush our teeth, we're using chemistry to fight cavities. The fluoride in toothpaste helps strengthen our teeth and prevent decide. And when we ride a bike, physics help us understand balance, speed, and motion. Even the weather we experience is based on science. Meteorologists use scientific tools to predict rain, snow, and sunshine. Knowing the weather helps you plan our day and dress appropriate. So the next time you're going about your daily routine, think about how science is working behind the scene. It makes our life easier, safer, and more fun. Let's appreciate the science in our everyday activity. Thank you.